situation. This caliper part. Sad as it is, we left all the shit in here, but we got some door guards for the Legacy. Those look nice. Might come back for the dash. Accidentally kind of stabbed it up a little bit, so probably won't grab this one low key. But got the center console, that was black. Grab that. Got the door cards. And might come back for the carpet, but as you can see, this carpet is just completely blown out. So might be better off making a custom one. But yeah, if anyone needs any parts for a fucking Legacy. Yeah, dude, this thing's mint. I'm not sure why it's even in here.
Probably a blown motor.
No, as for what I can see, the heads look fine. Found a strut bar on this SUV. And I found a wing.
So we're replacing the door cards on this.
Got new ones. No more gray. With the new ones. Love that. Homie pulled up flexing on me.
Yeah, the wood grain looks really nice.
Different handle color, but it still does all look really good. Got this caliper part. Do those brakes real quick. Homie's hooking it up, spraying these down real quick. Fucking man. Everything will go back together. And then next we gotta pull the center diff again. Alright. The boy. Mint. Current situation. This side's kinda barely off the ground. It's only a quarter inch off. It's not bad. But got Tommy Sean over here doing the fucking brakes up front. I'm trying to knock out this drive shaft to get back to the fucking center diff. Gotta love it. And the car's still actively trying to kill me. Alright, got all the rear bolts out on the drive shaft. Still gotta drop out center and pull it out of the front, and we're gonna drain the transmission now before I pull that out. Not gonna make the same mistake as last time. Alright, we got the roll pin out, shifter linkage coming out. That's all free. So now we just gotta knock these bolts out and hammer at this until it fucking finally comes off, which I failed to do last time. Finally got it. Took a fucking extension like this. Held it on the back end and hammered it right here like this. Finally got it to split. Alright. Got that out.
Oh shit.
It's crusty.
These fancy tools from Company 23. Got my bolts for this metal cover. That's helpful. And Company 23 makes this install tool. Comes with hardware and everything.
actually looks really good. Hopefully it holds oil, unlike the other one. Then we can throw the metal cover on when that bolt comes in from Audi and Subaru. Love that. That's pretty much it. Starting to get the fucking gasket off there. Dealy getting ready to start up the welder, eh? This thing sucks. I totally just arced the fuck out of myself at the beginning of that clip. I was not thinking and forgot.
One was just sitting there staring at it.
Yeah. I bet we break it somehow.
It worked with this over here. Come on, bro. Don't tell me you ain't got a good ground. Let that semi cool down just so we don't heat it up too much.
the old sledgehammer. And what happens? It goes flying right into my forehead. So, yeah. Fuck this car. Almost had it done. Almost had it fucking done, too. As you can see, we have a shifter. It works nice. It's good. Front axles are out. Engine's prepped, ready to go in. Gotta knock the nubs off of these, then machine them down somehow or cut them. Alright, that's a day. Fuck this shit. Not sure if you can see it very well. I'm pretty sure that's a piece of my forehead.